An important and big trial for the Orlando community. Today, jury selection started in the Noor Salman trial.
She is the widow of the Pulse gunman Omar Mateen, and she is charged with aiding and abetting and obstruction of justice. Today, 10 jurors were questioned, 4 were dismissed, and 6 kept in the pool. The judge decided to bring in 14 potential jurors tomorrow and said he believes the trial will now take a total of 5 weeks, 2 for jury selection, and 3 weeks of testimony. News 6's legal expert Mark O'Mara joins us live now from outside the federal courthouse. Good evening to you, Mark.
Evening. Evening.
So, Mark, would you say today's proceedings went about according to plan? Was it slow? Was it fast? What'd you think?
No, I think the pace was pretty good. I know it seems very tedious to have to listen to it over and over again, but understand that what the judge is doing is setting some very strong foundations, almost laying the footers for this trial. And if he doesn't vet through all of the potential pretrial publicity and other issues that may show biases or prejudices or something, if he doesn't clear those up now and they show back up later, it could be a mistrial.
Okay, and we know that the jurors were asked a lot of different questions. We know some of the questions were related to things like terrorism and how much exposure to the media they've had, especially when it comes to our coverage of the recent shootings in South Florida and Parkland. Why is something like that important, and why would they be asking things like that to the jurors?
Well, they get great insight from that, because if you have somebody who's spending 2 or 3 hours a day watching local news and national news, then that's going to inform what they have. And we know that try as we do, the media doesn't get it all right, and they also work on matters that are never going to make it into a courtroom. So they need to identify what's been talked about, what you have as your sort of predisposition as to what the facts of the case are, because only when you get them to the forefront can you then vet them through, and the judge can again remind the individual jurors, none of that matters. Only what matters is what comes from inside that witnesses and the evidence in the courtroom.
So, Mark, it sounds like the jury members are being isolated. One of them does the interview, and then the plan is to bring them all together eventually. Kind of guide us through the process.
Sure. The reason why it's individual voir dire for this part of it is, since they're talking about pretrial publicity, by nature, you can't talk about that in front of everybody else. If I was a juror and said, oh yes, this is what I heard, we've now infected the rest of the panel with that information. So that part, particularly the pretrial publicity, has to be dealt with individually. Just like biases and prejudices, whether it's about the Muslim faith or guns, or the impact that it had on one particular juror with the Pulse shooting itself. That has to be done individualized, so that if in fact that information comes out, it comes out just with that one juror. So now, once that process is done, once Judge Byron comes up with about 50, 60, 70 individualized jurors, now they can start the second round. The second round is what we call general voir dire, which is where we talk to the whole panel, ask them questions about themselves, questions about more information about the case, whether or not they can spend the time in front of for the month or so. And it's more general, can you accept the law we're going to apply? Do you know what the standards are? Will you accept the law as we give it and not use your own? Those can be general because, again, they're not fact specific.
Sure, and I know we talked yesterday and we were saying that maybe this jury selection would take maybe 4 to 5 days, but now he's saying it might take 2 weeks. Is that because he's being very thorough with the questions and they're taking a little bit longer than we thought?
It's a little bit of both. I mean, he's bringing in 14 jurors tomorrow because the 10 he got through today, he had some extra time. He wants to make sure he's very efficient. So let's say we go through 10 or 15 a day. That's 4 or 5 days to get about 60 or 70. So that's only the first stage, though, because that second stage of what we call the general voir dire could take a day or two. There will be a lot of back and forth about strikes for cause. Those are strikes where we say, Judge, this person simply cannot be a juror, so she or he needs to go. Then there are what we call peremptory strikes. That's strikes that I have that I can use for any reason I want, as long as it's not a prejudice or biased reason, then I can just get rid of them. So that process could easily take another 2 or 3 days. When you add it all together, you get close to 2 weeks.
and it could make or break this whole case. Mark O'Mara live for us. Thank you very much. And with no cameras allowed in court, one of the ways we're going to keep you up to date on this very important trial is by talking with our team of experts throughout the day on clickorlando.com. That's the place to go. So join us tonight at 6:30. News 6 anchor Lisa Bell will also be chatting with legal analyst Mark O'Mara about what happened today, and investigator Mike DeForest. You can watch that live on clickorlando.com/Noor Salman trial. You can also get the latest updates by following our Twitter account. It is dedicated to live tweeting the trial. Just follow @News 6 Pulse Trial.